half hour ago, we were seeing some recovery coming in the market. 25,900 thereabouts and slightly higher than that. In fact, 25,975 is where we were. And we've seen another 100-point cut from there, from the day's highest point. And on the spot basis, it's a 0.2% cut coming in on the Nifty. Sensex too, 0.1% lower, like Ashesha was mentioning. But what exactly does all of this volatility mean for the market? Remember, it's the monthly Nifty expiry and the last one for the year at that as well. So let's get a better sense of where the markets are heading. We have on board Mr. Vinay Rajani, who's joining us on the technicals. Vinay, hi, good afternoon, and thanks for your time. Give us a sense of this volatility that we're seeing playing out. Is it only expiry day pressure, or do you believe that there is structural weakness that you're seeing on the charts right now?
Yeah, good afternoon. So it more like a sentiment-driven fall in the market. It is not related to expiry. At least I see, because there has not been any significant movement. The choppiness and the consolidation, which has been going on for last 5 consecutive weeks, it is continuing that pattern. On the upside, 26,200; on the downside, 25,700. This 500 points consolidation is there for last 5 consecutive weeks. So Nifty is not at all finding any momentum or not any direction also. The immediate support I see for the Nifty is around 25,834, which happens to be the 50 days exponential average. And in this current month of December, we have seen that this 50 days EMA acted as a strong support level, and two times we have seen a nice reversal from that level. So again, it is marching towards that support. It is very near to the current levels. So yes, overall sentiment has not been that great. Advanced decline ratio has not been supporting. So breadth of the market is not positive. That is a bit concern. But selectively, stocks are still performing. Some metals, some PSU banks, some auto stocks are still giving some signs of fresh breakouts and follow-up buyings. So though the momentum is not there, but yes, there is a chance of reversal anytime soon, because in the consolidation in the past we saw that many times the breadth remains negative, but anytime it could reverse also. So we are of the opinion that unless the level of 25,700 is intact in the Nifty on closing basis, there is a hope of reversal on the upside, and any fresh level above 26,150 will give a fresh sign of the bullishness. So consolidation is there, but we are asking our traders to hold on to the long position with a stop loss of 25,700.
Okay, so that's the levels that you're spotting. And when I am in a market like this, where do you think there is any pocket of safety, or what stocks would you recommend to our viewers today?
Yeah, so one of the metal stock which has freshly broken out on the charts and looks quite promising and has been resilient in the downfall of the market. So Jindal Stainless is one of the stock from the metal space I like on the charts. Today, there has been a price movement with the rise in the volume. So it looks quite convincing for the short-term traders as well. So Jindal Stainless, the NSE code is JSL, is looking good around 815. One can go long. 790 should be the stop loss on the upside. I'm expecting a short-term target at 850. The second stock I would choose from the chemical space, that is UPL, which is around trading around its all-time high. And this has been the leader and outperformer from this particular space. This looks quite strong on the charts. So I think this outperformance may continue. So UPL can be bought around 778, 779. Trading stop loss can be kept at 764 on the upside. I'm expecting a target of 815.
Okay, so the metal basket of stocks looking good to you, Vinay, right now. On that note, we'll let you go. Thanks so much for your time. And of course, wishing you and everybody in your team a very happy new year.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Okay, on that note, viewers, we'll slip into a very short break. Be right back on the other side to talk about what other markets are doing at the midday mark and also tell you some stocks that are in focus. So stay tuned.